They did the thing with the gas pump. Oh my, this is real life. It has happened in real life. It's dragging on the ground. Oh man, get this fucking Kia Soul out of the way. Ruining my shot. Yeah, get the fuck, let me look at it. Look, they did it. They fucking drove away. They drove away with it. Look at it. It's, oh my god. This made my day. Oh my lord, it has happened. Louisville, Kentucky, 502. Oh, it's, of course it's a Shih Tzu person. They love their Shih Tzu. Oh man, there they go. There they go.